Let's learn how to use VMware PowerCLI in less than 60 seconds. Start PowerShell. Use the install-module commandlet to install PowerCLI. Use connect-vi server to connect to vCenter. Cringe at the clear text password. Instead, use get-credential to authenticate securely. This time, use our secure credentials. Look up all the VMs. Look up just one VM. Look up multiple specific VMs. Look up specific VM properties. Hey, that VM's powered off. Let's power it on. Use move-VM to migrate the virtual machine. Look up all the templates. Look up all the ESXi servers. Look up all the clusters. But wait, PowerCLI does more than vSphere. Write a cool script. When you're done, remember to disconnect from vCenter. There's loads more to learn about PowerCLI. Check out this video and learn more.